Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, development in Nigeria and around the world. Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, the founder of the Kwankwasia movement in Kano, is without doubt a political colossus in Kano and indeed in many parts of northern Nigeria, especially the conservative north. He is a man that inspires following by the Talakawas. Aside former President Muhammad Buhari, there is no northern leader who inspires the kind of fanatical following that Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso commands. But Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, who was the presidential candidate of the New Nigerian People's Party in the 2023 presidential election, has been very silent in recent times. And this is silence has made some people to wonder what is behind it, especially as his only jewel from the last election, Kano State, is being taken away from him before our very eyes. Kwankwaso, as the presidential candidate of the New Nigerian People's Party, won Kano State and got substantial votes in some other parts of northern Nigeria. But largely, the about 1.4 million votes that he garnered based on INEC's disputed calculations largely came from Kano. So he is a man who has a firm grip of Kano. Even former Governor Ganduje owed his ascendancy in politics to Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso. But Kwankwaso has been so silent. He has not said a thing as the All Progressive Congress are making spirited efforts to take away Kano from him. Kano State Governor has been sacked by the tribunal, by the election petition tribunal in Kano. Now he has been sacked again by the Court of Appeal. It now remains the Supreme Court to sack him, and Kwankwaso will be like a leader without a base. And he had been silent. People had suggested that the reason why Kwankwaso was silent is because Tinubu is his friend. Don't forget, Kwankwaso was among the presidential candidates who, despite the flaws in the last election, did not consider it wise to sue, to petition against the emergence or the victory of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the candidate of the ruling All Progressive Congress. Some people were saying that the reason he was not talking was because he don't want to overturn the apple cart so that he could be able to retain Kano, so that President Bola Tinubu will allow him to retain his Kano State under the New Nigerian People's Party. But is that strategy really working? Is that strategy really working? Because already Tinubu is focused on 2027. And Ganduje, who is now the national chairman of the APC, is committed to taking away that strategic state that Kwankwaso is in charge now, or the candidate of Kwankwaso's party is in charge now. and Kwankwaso has said nothing. What becomes the future of Kwankwaso's political career going forward? If the Supreme Court concur with the tribunal and the appeal court that indeed Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf is not the duly elected governor of Kano State. In that case, can Kwankwaso say that his strategy of not talking, of hoping that the judiciary will do the right thing and that his friend will allow him hold on to Kano, has been alleged that he's not want to criticize Tinubu so that Tinubu will continue to consider him as a political ally and allow him to hold on to Kano. Is it working? But the truth of the matter remains that a whole lot of things are going wrong in the country. The people of Kano, like the rest of Nigerians, are passing through hell under the present economy. And the strategic voice of Kwankwaso had been missing in action. He had not said anything about the state of the nation. Is he waiting for the Supreme Court to rule about the state of Kano? About this, the state of Kano, yeah, that is now under his control, but is slipping away. Gradually slipping away from his hand. Is he going to wait on the Supreme Court, give his final judgment, before he begin to react about the state of the nation, like other opposition leaders, like Peter Obi of the Labour Party, like Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party? Why is he so silent when he can be able to make his position known? Because no matter what happens, his silence don't seem to be making any headway. With the way things are going and with the present judiciary in Nigeria, you can see that they are brazenly going to take away the state from him unless there is a divine intervention. You can imagine what the Court of Appeal said in sacking Governor Yusuf. They say he was not a member of the party. He was not a registered member of NNPP. And these are the same appeal courts and the Supreme Court that have been ruling that a party, nobody from outside a ruling political party can question the membership or candidacy of another party. But in the ruling by the appeal court sacking Yusuf, the governor of Kano State, they say he was not a registered member of the party as at the time he contested the election. What kind of thing is this? And yet, Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso is not saying anything. This is a glaring display of judicial rascality, because several judgments, they have indicated that nobody can question the membership of, you can't come from APC and question the membership of NNPP or PDP or their candidate, how he emerged, because it's none of your business. That's what they told us. But they have sacked Yusuf. The appeal court sacked Yusuf based on this, among others, to show you how determined these people are to take away Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso's Kano State governorship that his party is holding as a rallying point to galvanize for the next election in 2027. But the man is not saying anything. Is he serving his interest? How is he serving his interest being silent? Some people are saying he better speak up now because this APC are ready to bulldoze their way and take anything that will give them advantage, even ahead of 2027. Because at least if the silence of Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso is working, it could have worked before now. Now the matter is headed to the Supreme Court. Only God now can save Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf of the NNPP, who is there at the instrumentality of Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, the leader and founder of the Kwankwasia movement, of which even the national chairman of APC, was once a part of it. Yes. Ganduje was once a Kwankwasia. That is how powerful Kwankwasia is as a movement. But now, the politics of 2027 is trying to whittle the power and the political reach of Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, and he's not saying anything. But Nigerians would like to know, what is his thinking about the state of the nation? What is his thinking about the way APC is grabbing mandates from other political parties using the tribunal? What is his thinking about the state of the nation? Is it true as being claimed that he didn't want to do anything that will hurt his relationship with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu? But is President Bola Ahmed Tinubu ready to reciprocate his gesture and allow him to have control over Kano and allow his governor to remain the governor of Kano State going forward? Because from the body language of the Gandujes, they are determined to see this through and take away Kano from him and use it as an example to Bola Ahmed Tinubu that they are ready to work for him ahead of the 2027 presidential election. As you all know, the 2027 presidential election started from the day the announcement of the winner of the 2023 presidential election took place. That is the way of politics in Nigeria. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.